Again, showing you guys about my pears tree. This kind of pears tree that I had here. I've been planted this about over 7 years ago. When I was started planting this, it was very tiny little plants that I've been bought from the garden center. And this is what it look like. The trunk underneath is really getting slightly much more bigger and bigger, but this is a lovely pears tree because it produced a few fruits but last year. The reason it didn't produce much fruits yet because this is a very new uh, pears tree plants that I had in here. But as I noticed this time, I guess they're gonna produce more fruits because of the produce lots of flowers to it really, and it could be the sign of producing much more fruits this year, and I hope so because it does look beautiful. Look at that. Oh, it's getting much taller and taller now, and I wish they stop getting taller because I don't like to see this going to be a massively big trees into the backyard of my garden because I don't have that kind of much room here into my garden. My garden here at the back is not, it's not really that big, just about the right size. Uh, yeah, and I really don't like having big trees around here. I just like keeping small little plants and small trees. But this first tree that I had in here, I had a feeling it's gonna be a huge and big tree because when I was bought this in the garden center, they said that into the label they said a dwarf first tree. So I bought it because they call it dwarf little tree. So I really believe it was the dwarf, but again when I planted into my garden and leave it another few more years later, it really growing really big and taller. So I hope they're gonna stop growing on this. So I had my idea that perhaps I might have to trim this after summertime before winter coming again for the next year. So that's what I'm thinking about it. Maybe I just have to prune right on top and there in order to make it really shorter, things like that. Yeah, and but I love the flowers. I guess the flowers is really gorgeous and beautiful. Look at that. Yeah, anyway, thank you guys for watching. Goodbye for now. Bye.